Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to plug everything in and test if it all works. Different parts of our system need to stay on 24 hours a day, and other parts operate on a timer. Our pumps and our heaters need to stay on constantly to ensure the health of our fish. However, our lights are going to go on a cycle, simulating night and day. For that reason, we need to use some kind of timer or control in order to turn the lights on and off. So there are two ways you can control the lights in this way. The first is a mechanical timer, but the other way, and the way that we recommend, is using a Wi-Fi enabled power board. You can control a power board like this using an app and schedule the lights to turn on and off at any time of the day. And we love these because they're super user friendly. You can find more detailed instructions on how to set up one of these Wi-Fi power boards in the provided written materials for this module. Now I'm going to plug everything in and show you what it should look like when it's running. We're going to start with the light. I've already plugged the light into the power board, and now I'm going to screw the tri-light in, and voila, look at that. So these lights are really awesome because you can control where the light is going. So that's working pretty well. I'm just going to unscrew that for now. Now I'm going to plug in the heater. Okay, great. Our heater is working, and I can tell because there's a small light on the side that is telling me that it is currently heating up the tank. I've set the heater to 24 degrees as that is the perfect temperature for our fish. And now lastly, the pump. These are USB powered, so you'll need either a USB brick or a power board with a USB plug. If you are having some problems with your pump and it's not pumping water, this could mean that you need to initially prime the pump. This means getting water inside the pump so that it can start the suction. To do this, you can either remove the pump from the tube, submerge it in the water, and then plug it in, or you can use this small tube that we have provided, plug it into the end here, plug in your pump, and then give it a small suck. It might seem weird, but it is one way to get the suction going. And once you've done that, your pump is good to go. And that's it. Our aquaponic systems are now set up. It's now important to leave the pump and the heater on 24/7 for the next couple of weeks to allow for the cycling process to occur in our tanks. The cycling process is the development of the biological culture within our systems and is very important for the health of our fish when they arrive. And that concludes module 1 about setting up our aquaponic systems. In the next module, we're going to teach you about microgreens, but until then, see you next time. I've been Tobias. Happy growing.